Gross. Does all interdimensional TV have to rely on juvenile violence?
Well, Summer, maybe people that create things aren't concerned with your delicate sensibilities. You know, maybe the species that communicate with each other through the filter of your comfort are less evolved than the ones that just communicate. Maybe your problems are your own to deal with, and maybe the public giving a shit about your feelings is a one-way ticket to extinction.
Jeez, Morty. I take it Catherine Heffelfinger hasn't texted you back yet?
Juvenile. Silly and typical of a child.
And it was childish, it was juvenile.
I'm pathetic.
Delicate. Needing careful treatment, especially because easily damaged.
I'm sorry to intrude at such a delicate time, but I knew your husband.
Sensibility. The ability to feel and react to something.
In my century, we don't succumb to revenge. We have a more evolved sensibility.
Evolved. Having developed through a gradual process.
I thought humans were more evolved than this.
I can send the beacon and your sister can launch our package. Just remember, if there's people in there and they try to purge us, we gotta purge them first.
We're not purging anyone, Rick, all right? Will you stop it?
Morty, if we're gonna survive tonight, you're gonna need to harness your repressed rage.
I don't have any!
Spoken like a person with repressed rage.
I take no part in the festival. If you desire to kill me, I only ask you to do it quickly.
No such agenda, Chief.
We're not too keen on the purge.
Purge. To get rid of people from an organization.
You have this man in here with a gun, about to purge us, and you're lying?
Harness. To control something.
We're trying to harness this capability and transfer it into our host subject, Freddy, the three-legged mouse.
Repress. Do not allow something, especially feelings, to be expressed.
But not to repress yourself is to unleash all kinds of dangerous and destructive forces.
Agenda. A list of problems or subjects that an organization is planning to deal with.
Next item on the agenda, I'm afraid that due to funding cuts, we've had to sell the science department skeleton.
You had a blast.
The galactic government considers us terrorists. It's unwise of me to share these details, but I've become inebriated.
I don't know if you can appreciate what it means to grow up without a father, but...
The guest list at this wedding includes 17 of the Federation's most wanted. We have committed numerous atrocities in the name of freedom.
And during that time, I don't suppose he ever mentioned his daughter. Are those baby Keishas?
Inebriated. Having drunk too much alcohol.
What do we got, partner?
Empty alcohol containers, the driver is inebriated and covered in blood.
Numerous. Many.
And it's written in Andrea's own hand, of which we have numerous examples.
Atrocity. An extremely cruel and violent action.
But to do so, we need video from inside the lab, footage of the horrible atrocities being committed against the animals.
Well, it's official. The obscure planet known as Earth, formerly the hiding place of interstellar terrorist and fugitive Rick Sanchez, has just become the 6,048th planet to join the Galactic Federation.
The plucky little ball of water and dirt, which is where it gets its name.
Obscure. Not known to many people.
And And though it may forever be obscure to me, I cannot but be aware of its power.
Formerly. In the past.
You artists, formerly known as the Muppets, are standing on private property.
Fugitive. A person who is running away or hiding.
As difficult as this is to accept, Captain America is a fugitive from S.H.I.E.L.D.